Welcome back to SG Riders, your ultimate stop for the latest and hottest rides of 2025. Today, we've got something that's set to take the Superbike world by storm, the 2025 Aprilia RSV2. If you thought Aprilia had already reached its peak with the RSV4, think again. The RSV2 is here, and it's rewriting the rules. Design, aggression meets elegance. The RSV2 looks like it was built for the track but sculpted for admiration. Sleek, aerodynamic lines flow from front to rear with carbon fiber winglets that scream downforce. The dual LED headlamps are sharper, meaner, and flanked by aggressive air ducts. Aprilia has fused racing DNA with Italian artistry, making this bike an absolute visual masterpiece. Engine, more power, more precision. Under the fairing lies a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, now lighter and tuned to push out an insane 230 horsepower. Aprilia has refined its engine mapping and throttle response for even sharper acceleration. Whether you're ripping down straights or leaning deep into corners, the RSV2 delivers unmatched precision and power delivery. Technology, track weapon with a brain. The 2025 RSV2 is loaded with Aprilia's most advanced electronics yet. It features a next-gen Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) system with traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, and a customizable engine brake system. The new 7-inch TFT display gives riders real-time data and race telemetry like never before. Handling, sharper than ever. Built on a revised aluminum frame, the RSV2 offers race-spec agility and control. The semi-active Öhlins suspension adapts instantly to the road or track, while the Brembo-style Lima brakes give you confidence to push harder into corners. At just under 190 kilograms dry weight, the bike feels razor-sharp and incredibly responsive. Comfort and ride experience. While it's a superbike at heart, Aprilia hasn't forgotten about rider comfort. The RSV2's seat design is more ergonomic, and the riding triangle has been slightly relaxed for longer rides. Cruise control in 3 riding modes, track, sport, and street, make it surprisingly versatile for day-to-day use. Pricing and competition. Expected to be priced around $27,000. The Aprilia RSV2 is taking aim at rivals like the Ducati Panigale V4R and Yamaha R1M. But with its blend of Italian flair, race-ready performance, and smart tech, the RSV2 might just have the edge. Final verdict: the new king of superbikes? To wrap it up, the 2025 Aprilia RSV2 is not just a successor to the RSV4, it's a revolution. It's bolder, faster, and smarter. Whether you're a track day warrior or a speed-hungry street rider, this bike is designed to thrill. Aprilia might have just created the new benchmark in the superbike segment. Outro: ride with us. Thanks for watching, rider.